Hi, in this tutorial, we will learn how to create a CloudFlare worker to generate AI images for free. The first step is to visit Google and search for CloudFlare dashboard. Click on this dashboard link. If you do not have an account, register and log in. From the left menu, under Compute, click Workers. Click the Create Application button. Click Start with Hello World. Click Deploy. From the Bindings menu, click Add Binding. Click this button. From the left menu, select Worker AI. Click Add Binding. Click on the Edit Code button. Visit the link from the description to copy the code. Click the Copy button. Delete the current code and paste. Click the Deploy button. Return to the Worker page. Click the Settings tab. Under the Variables and Secrets tab, click the Add button. Set the type to Secret. Set the variable name to API_key. Make sure it is in uppercase letters. Set the value to your desired secret code. Click the Deploy button. Now visit the worker link and copy. In the Plugin Settings page, paste the worker link and add the secret code. Thank you for watching. The plugin link is in the description.